Everyone is filming. We have so much fun in our life. We film being in a car wash.
The Top Gold car wash. First time this car had been washed for years.
I hate car washes. They scare me.
We're not rumbling yet.
Hello, people filming. Now what?
We should do a film. I'm filming that there. You're in my way. Here it come, look out. Ray's getting fright.
It's scary. Okay.
Friday night. In the sea.
It feels like we're moving. Are we moving?
No.
We do. We go for a car wash.
And a KFC. Oh! What is it doing? It's scaring me. It's right there.
There's still green mould on the windows.
Thanks for that. I've got to have some brushes come out in it and spin about.
Oh, you've got neighbours yet. It's been rocked about yet.
It's not filming anymore.
We ain't right, are we? We're all sitting here filming a car wash.
I'm not anymore. This tastes so nice.
Can I have a bit?
No.
Why not? I brought it.
So, you bought it for me.
There we go, here come the old spinny things.
I know. What happens if it breaks one of your things off? Do they replace it?
I don't know. Look at it though, the best car wash in Norfolk still can't even get my car clean. What state that's in.
Still green mould in the windows.
Yeah, so you keep saying. This'll get rid of it.
Daddy.
There it comes. Right beside you. I'm going to start rocking in a minute, right? Right now.
Not like it's scaring me. I don't like it. I don't think he got the moldy stuff. What are you doing? What are you doing?
It's coming back again.
I don't like it.
God. So you like go there with a toothbrush and
Why has it stopped? What are you doing?
have it stuck.